Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Business Studies IGCSE. Begin by thoroughly understanding the syllabus structure and key topics. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to expect in your exams. Focus on the assessment objectives, which guide how marks are awarded for knowledge, application, analysis, and evaluation. Breaking down large topics into smaller, focused study sessions will make the material less daunting and easier to absorb, improving your overall retention. Next, develop effective study techniques. Creating detailed notes, incorporating diagrams and flowcharts, can significantly enhance your understanding and recall of complex business concepts. Regularly practicing past paper questions is crucial for familiarizing yourself with the exam format, question types, and time management. Additionally, reviewing various case studies will help you apply theoretical knowledge to practical, real-world business situations, strengthening your analytical skills for the exam. To solidify your learning, implement strong memory and revision strategies. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing key terms, definitions, and essential formulas, making quick recall much easier. Try teaching concepts to a study partner. Explaining topics aloud helps to identify gaps in your own understanding and reinforces what you already know. Most importantly, schedule regular revision sessions to consistently revisit material, ensuring long-term retention and preventing last-minute cramming. Finally, prepare for exam day with confidence. Ensure you get adequate rest the night before your business studies exam to maintain focus and clarity. During the test, read all instructions carefully and manage your time effectively to answer every question thoroughly. And speaking of efficiency, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description. They're perfect for meal prep and keeping your food fresh. You'll also find other great deals there to help you stay organized and on top of your studies. Don't miss out on these helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.